Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting Photoshop tutorial for you. Today we will learn about how can we make a old man looking young again. But at first, let's roll the intro. Okay, so to understand what I'm doing here, I will guide you step by step through each process so you can follow along easily. Okay. So at first what I'm doing, I'm copying the main picture. So I'm just pressing Ctrl plus J. It will copy and paste the image, and then we will edit on that copied layer. So right now I am using healing brush tool to fix the patches and the wrinkles lines. So to do so, we have to just press all, and then we have to select the select that particular place where there is no patches or there is no wrinkles. Then we will go to the wrinkle section and we will try to remove that. We have to do again and again until we can fix the whole face like that. Okay, I am going to fast forward it. Okay, as of now I have done fixing the face. So right now I have to retouch the face again. So for that, copy the edited or the fixed layer again and copy for 2 times. Turn off the first layer and go to the second layer and choose filter option. Go to blur, then Gaussian blur. Blur the face until you can slightly observe the wrinkles or the patches, not fully, slightly you can see. Okay, now I have to turn on the first layer, then I have to go to images and then click apply images. Now hit OK and then go to the first layer and choose the blend mode to linear light. Now come to the second layer or the color layer. Now create patches like circle and then click filter, go to Gaussian blur and then adjust the blur intensity. And now when you are satisfied with the result, just click OK. So you have to basically do this again and again until the face, full face covered like that. Here I am fast forwarding it again. So I totally fixed the face, or I have totally retouched it, so you can see how it looks. You can also fix the color or slightly change the color of the image as you want. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video so I can make more videos like this. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.